Once I stabilized, why should I continue to go to a chiropractor on a maintenance care basis? Very, very simple. What you did, you came in here broke. You got fixed. What you did to get you healthy was get adjusted. If you take that away and you keep doing the same things that you've been doing year after year that caused this problem in the first place, you're going to regress. Once you are maintained, your body is relatively normal. Your symptoms should be relatively normal. It's easy to maintain that. By neglecting that for extended periods, given time, you will shift back and regress to your old ways where you were before. So for instance, the x-ray, even if you never got adjusted again, it would take a couple of years, maybe 2 years for that thing to start really moving around or see more damage. But symptoms show up much quicker than structural degeneration, structural damage on the x-ray. So once you're stabilized, you don't have to put in so much effort anymore to get to that point of being normal. You can just periodically maintain. It's very, very easy at that point. It's kind of like losing weight. You lose weight, you lose 50 pounds. You don't go celebrating by getting Krispy Kreme donuts and going back into your old habits. You don't have to lose any more weight, so you don't have to cut calories much, but you just have to maintain where you're at. It's very, very simple. It's like that in anything that you do.